In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark paid on QuickBooks Invoice 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a customer payment so your books stay accurate and your invoice shows as paid. Start on your QuickBooks dashboard and head to the sales area. From there, choose Invoices. This is where you can see all your open, overdue, and paid invoices in one place. If you have a lot of records, use the search bar or filters to quickly narrow down by customer, status, or date, so you're working on the exact invoice you intend to update. Open the invoice you want to mark as paid. Take a quick moment to verify you've got the right customer, the correct invoice number, and the outstanding balance. This simple glance helps you avoid marking the wrong document and keeps your audit trail clean. Next, click Receive Payment. This opens the payment window tied to that invoice. Here's where you record what actually happened with the payment. Confirm the payment date to match when you received the money, not necessarily when you're entering it. Accurate dates are important for your cash flow and reporting. Then confirm the payment method, such as bank transfer, check, or card, so your reports reflect the correct inflow type. If you have a reference number, like a check or transaction ID, add it here for easy lookup later. Make sure the amount matches what you received. If you collected the full balance, the amount should equal the remaining total. If you received only part of the amount, enter that partial figure. The invoice will remain partially open for the remainder. You can also choose where the funds are going by selecting the appropriate deposit account. If you group multiple payments into a single bank deposit later, choose Undeposited Funds. If the money went straight into a specific bank account, select that account now to save a step later. Once the payment details look correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will apply the payment to the invoice and update its status. You should now see the invoice marked as paid or partially paid if you entered a smaller amount. If anything looks off, simply reopen the payment and make an edit. QuickBooks keeps the link between the payment and the invoice intact. That's it. You've recorded the payment properly and kept your records tidy. Repeat the same process for any other invoices, and you'll have a clear, reliable picture of your receivables.